So the interview is an important part of our application process because it provides an opportunity for both yourself and for us to get to know each other, to find out things about you that didn't come across in your personal statement, for you to actually meet other students on the course and to talk to us and see whether this is the right choice for you. And we just want it to be a discussion, a dialogue about your future choices. So you will be interviewed by one of our course members, and at that interview you can expect some questions about why you want to be a counsellor and about your experience, your work experience, and how you feel that prepares you for the course. There'll also be some scenarios for you to think about, and you'll also have a chance to ask us any questions about the course. And alongside that, we'll ask you to do a short written exercise on an ethical dilemma. So here's some things you might want to think about when you're preparing for your interview with us. First of all, what are you passionate about when you think about counselling? And what has brought you to this decision to apply for this course? And when you're thinking about that, you might want to draw upon personal experiences or on your work experience. Also thinking about your future career and where that might lead you in terms of your interests. And be thinking about the course itself, what you know about the course, and any questions that you might have. The work experience that we look favourably on is that includes direct support of others, particularly vulnerable others, helping others physically or emotionally to enable them to do things that they perhaps can't normally do. So top tips for preparing for interview. The first thing is to read through your personal statement and to be really clear about what you want to say to us about yourself. The second thing is to know about the course and to maybe prepare some questions to ask us. And the last thing is to be open and honest and to just be yourself, because that's who we're trying to find out about. So you usually hear from us within a few days after your interview to let you know if you've been successful or not in your interview. So please keep an eye out on your emails from the University of South Wales.